In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete Threads app on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off we just need to swipe left or right until we find Threads app icon. Once we find it, all we have to do is just long press on it, tap at remove app, and then tap at delete app. If you can't find Threads app icon over your home screens, you can just swipe down at any of your home screens to bring up search. Then just search for Threads, and right from here you can long press on it, select delete app, and then tap at delete. What that will do, that will remove Threads app from your device.